Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking garage door openers, and in the event that your garage door will not close, we are going to show you something that is not the most common thing to do. However, if you're in a pinch or emergency situation and you need that garage door closed right now, whether you want to protect your valuables or you're leaving town for a week and you just want that door shut, in this video we're going to show you how to shut it. However, keep in mind, watching this video, we are going to unprogram your travel system. And once you get back and need to open the door, we need to reprogram the travel system and make sure that your garage door will open and close properly. Let's take a look. Outside in the garage now, and in the event that no matter what, you have to get your garage door closed for whatever reason, you don't want anyone inside your garage during the night, or if you're leaving town for a week and you want your garage door and all of your valuables inside to be protected, up here, I'm going to hop all the way to the top, and again, this is a Chamberlain brand. Carefully pull this cover down, and these little levers right here, if you still have electricity drawn to your garage door opener, press and hold the down arrow. And that will verify that your garage door motor still works. Everything's fine there. As you can see here. Sounds like I need to lubricate that. And in the event that you are ready to open the door, you will again press the center, and now you can notice that the upper or open triangle or arrow is blinking, and you can press and hold that and the garage door will open. So again, I hope this helps. This is in the event that you absolutely have to close your garage door before you begin troubleshooting on why exactly your garage door is not closing. And I'm going to carefully realign this, secure this on both sides. That's it, YouTubers. Now that the garage door is closed, and again, we have unprogrammed your travel system, when you get back, we need to reprogram the travel system. Below or at the end of this video, you will see a link that shows you how to reprogram the actual travel system. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again for watching.